Osas. I'm coming.
Hey! Popo Grammar School. You have spoken again. Clap for yourself.
Osas, what did you just say?
You said you are coming and you are going. Does that make any sense to you?
Which kind of insult be this one? If I beat her and I will say charger. Eh? So, if I should say so, what mistake do I make now?
Bro, stop contradicting yourself. You can't be telling me you are coming and you are going. Are you now doing things in the opposite? If you are, tell me so that anytime you say I should come, I will go. Anytime you say I should go, I will come.
You mean this way you talk?
Since you now claim you know more than me, maybe the school that I went to, all the English that I was taught are now obsolete. They are no more in use in your own age. Mr. Grammarian, correct me. What should I say? Correct me, please.
Bros, you're supposed to say, see you later or I'll be right back.
No book. Let me tell you. Communication is all about when you say anything, the person you are saying it to understand you and he replies you
Bulaba.
in whatever question or whatever discussion you engage the person with. It's all about communication. So long as I've been saying it and people they understand me, that means I'm communicating.
Yeah!
You understand? So don't tell me what you don't know. Nobody carry this book come from heaven and learn with the learner.
Kill your pride. Your pride is like this. Bring it down. I'm not stingy with what I know, unlike other person which hands are like this. Super glue.
Multiplication.
Bros, I'm just trying to help you so that you not fool yourself outside with bad English.